We are off to Bali, Indonesia. First time ni Papa pupunta doon. And we're going there for his birthday. Ilang taon ka na?
40.
Hindi, 61 na yan. Pero pupunta rin ako for the Maidia convention. We're going to learn a lot about Maidia for this trip also. So thank you Maidia for inviting me. So right now, nasa lounge lang kami, having our dinner while waiting for our boarding. Touchdown! Bali, Indonesia! Actually guys, madaling araw na. 12 midnight na dito. So medyo bangag na kami. Pero ayan, start na agad ng ating tour tomorrow. Dito pa lang sa airport, nagpaparamdam na si Maidia. Super excited for the convention. Good morning! Sorry, hindi ko na kayo na-update kagabi because it was already so late and natulog na ako agad kasi maaga tayo today for our Ubud tour. I will show you our Airbnb. It's super spacious and ang ganda rin ng location ng Airbnb na to. I will show you. So upon entering our Airbnb, meron tayong sariling pool. Ito yung room ni Papa, so puntahan natin. Nagpapatugtog na siya ng Christmas music. Ang laki ng room niya, oh. For 2 people yan. Tapos may TV. That's me. And then yung CR, guys, sobrang ganda. Oh, diba? Very spacious. And then for our kitchen and living room, ayan, ito yung kitchen natin. Of course, kompleto yan. And then we have our living room. Wala nga lang TV dito sa living room. So as in, parang tambayan lang talaga siya. And then ito naman yung aking room. Parang kamukha lang din yung room ni Papa. And then we have our CR. Halos same lang din ng itsura. Ayan. Super love this Airbnb. I think this is only 4,000 pesos a night. So, super sulit. And this can comfortably accommodate 4 people. Start na ng ating tour. So, I rented this car through Klook. Mga 2,000 pesos siya for 10 hours. So, sobrang sulit. So, una nating pupuntahan is yung Coffee Luwak. After 1 hour 30 minutes, andito na tayo. Lumbung Sari.
And this big tree, this one cinnamon.
Yeah.
Bayo lang to. What do you call this? Bayo. Normal coffee.
This is one.
From Musang. And this cacao. After we process, make chocolate.
Chocolate, yes.
And this one cinnamon.
Cinnamon, yes.
Yeah. Rosella. And this one mangosteen. And this one ginger.
Ginger, yeah.
And there's some spices. Avocado coffee, Bali mochaccino coffee and chocolate, Bali cocoa hot chocolate.
Bali coffee. Slybet coffee.
Pupo coffee. Wow! Sarap?
Yeah.
Anong lasa?
Ang layo.
Wow! Wow, kung makapag-react ako, kala mo first time ko. Ilang beses ko na itong ginawa, guys.
Sarap. Coconut coffee. Masarap. Wow. Dito yan. Ano dito?
Ginger.
Yeah.
Sarap.
Isa gamot.
Parang gamot, no?
Yeah.
Our next stop, Monkey Forest. So, we need to buy our ticket. Tara, bili tayo. Swimming yung mga monkey. Ay, naliligo sila. Ang cute. Oh. Nag-aaway pa. Oh, relax lang siya. Chilling. Dito tayo magla-lunch. Tebasari. Oh, ganda ng place. Ito yung sikat dito sa Ubud. This is fried duck. Kay Papa ayaw niya ng duck. Gusto niya ng fish. So, yeah. Kain.
Kawayan ba eh.
Next stop natin dito sa Rice Terraces. Ito yung mga must-do activities dito sa Bali. Pero guys, ilang beses ko na ito ginawa. So, ayoko na. Si Papa ayaw niya, KJ. Gusto ko mag-dress ka eh. Ayaw niya mag-dress. Darna. Darna daw. Nasa shrimpies tayo for dinner. Favorite ni Papa seafood. So, ayan, oyster. Tapos corn. Andito na ibang order namin. So, ito yung 500 grams na shrimp. Grilled yan. And then, yung order ko na oysters. And then, of course, rice. Let's eat! Our activity for this afternoon. ATV. Let's go!
Bye-bye. Thank you. I love you, sir.
Tapos na kami. Okay?
Yeah.
Fairness guys, sobrang masaya siya. Nagustuhan namin. May kasama na rin towel dun sa tour, so hindi nyo na kailangan magdala. Okay din yung shower area. Tapos may kasamang food. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga food na included. May rice, mi goreng, chicken, and then parang chop suey, and then tofu, egg, watermelon, and merong soup na kasama. Finally, we are back from our ATV experience. Alam nyo guys, actually, parang mali ako na dito kami sa Seminyak nagstay. Dapat sa Ubud na lang kasi karamihan ng activities na ginawa namin sa Ubud. It's actually 8 PM na and lilipat na kami ng hotel kasi pwede na kami mag-check-in dun sa hotel na binook ni Maidia for the conference. So it's going to start tomorrow. Meron tayong welcome dinner and I'm very excited for that. Para hindi na tayo mangarag bukas, ngayon na tayo mag-check-in. We are finally checked in. Ang ganda ng room namin guys. I will show you quick room tour. Pasok natin. Nandito na yung toilet, shower, and may mirror. And then, diretso na tayo. And for the beds, meron tayong dalawang single. Actually, parang hindi nga single bed to eh. Meron tayong balcony. Actually, ang ganda ng view sa balcony. Asa na ba yun? Ito yung view natin from the balcony. Super nice. Ganda ng ating room. Good morning! Birthday boy! Birthday ni Papa today. Super happy. This is the breakfast area. As usual, super daming option. This is our breakfast. Ako salad, yogurt, and fruits, and croissant. Kay Papa, sausage, bacon. Naku, hindi yan healthy ah. Fried rice and coffee. Ako decaf. May decaf coffee sila. Enjoying the beach here at the hotel. Pero, kung mapapansin nyo, parang low tide. So, hindi pa kami makakaligo sa beach. So, dito lang kami, relaxing. We are ready for Maidia's welcome dinner. So, ang outfit for tonight is anything like Bali inspired. So, binigyan nila kami ng outfit. Si Papa meron din siya. Ang aking +1. Ayan, ang cute. Tapos, meron din tayo name tag. We are off to the first ganap for this conference. So, let's go to the welcome dinner.
My dear strategic partner, dealer, convention.
Finally here at the Maidia Power of One Conference. Tayo mga pinakaunang nandito na makikita yung exhibit. We are going to see firsthand what's new with Maidia and I am super excited. Maidia, world's #1 smart home appliances brand.
Same outside, bigger inside. Yeah, that's why you can see that is how benefit of the Space Master.
Tignan nyo tong ref na to. Oh my God, sobrang na-in-love ako sa mga ref nila dito. Kasi look at this. Like this infinite shelf, we all need this. Kasi pag may bottle, di ba, like binababa natin siyang ganyan. This one, no need. Kasi yung shelf, na-adjust mo siya. So, if ever wala kang bottle, let's say walang bottle, no? You can i-extend ng ganyan. And then, if you have bottles or cakes, like you can just adjust it. Ang galing, OMG. So, ito yung water tank. You just fill it in with water. And then, automatically, it makes ice. So, if you pull this, you see, there's already ice. Yun yung ice maker. Ang galing. Pinakita nila sa atin tong Smart Master. So, everything, all your appliances from Midea, you can control here sa app. Everything you need is here. So, all the appliances is here. You can control it if you want to turn it off, if you want to turn it on. So, they also have the AI assistant or AI tech care. And you can select the device. Let's say you want to know something about the refrigerator. Everything you need is here. So, no need to call Midea. If you have questions, you just need to download the app and check out AI Assistant. So, the last one is EcoMaster. One example lang, guys. So, pag naka-on yung AI algorithm mo for your aircon, you can save up to 40%. This is for the AirStill Pro. Grabe, 40%. Imagine, ang laki nun. Ito naman, up to 60%. We have the water dispenser, up to 20%. So many savings with the Midea products. So, those are the 3 pillars of the Midea products. Sobrang galing, guys. So, we have the AI EcoMaster, we have the Smart Master, and of course, the Space Master. Super galing ng mga washing machine nila, as in sobrang high-tech. Ito, you can wash your undergarments and your socks, and then yung big drum is your usual clothes. For like small spaces, your washing machine and your robot vacuum mop. Yung top load nila, meron na rin siyang lalagyan ng detergent. So, it equally distributes the detergent sa buong load ng damit. Hindi yung nasa ibabaw lang yung nalalagyan or yung nasa ilalim lang. As a laundry shop owner, like, nakakatuwa yung mga products na ganito. Of course, Midea is #1 in small cooking appliances. So, ito yung mga kitchen items nila. Tingnan nyo tong ref na to. It's called a slot-in ref. So, slot-in siya. So, kahit nasa loob siya ng parang box, you can open it na hindi siya tumatama sa gilid. Tapos yung heat daw, nanggagaling sa ilalim. So, no need to worry na mag-overheat siya or what. Kasi usually daw, yung mga normal ref, dito sa side, yung heat. Eto pa guys, meron siyang IPL Purify. So, it has a laser to purify kung ano man yung dito, like vegetable, fruits. You don't need to remove the plastic kasi kahit naka-plastic siya, like nalilinis pa rin niya yung mismong fruits or vegetables sa loob. Like, super smart. As in, kakaiba na yung tech talaga ngayon. As in, super advanced. We're moving houses. Ito yung bago naming aircon. So, this is the Avigator. And guys, meron siyang air purifier. So, perfect because I have pets. I have 6 cats, 3 dogs. So, at least hindi lang siya aircon. Pinipurify na rin niya yung air. Super perfect for our house. Pinaka-basic unit nila is Celeste. But, super amazing kasi it cleans itself. So, yan. Condensed water and then frosting and then washing and then drying. Total of 42 minutes of cleaning your aircon. And then this one, this is their new floor standing air conditioner. So, hindi na siya yung box type na usual na nakikita natin. So, this will be also available in the Philippines. This is 4.5 horsepower. Diba? Ang ganda. Very shala. Nakaka-aesthetic ng house.
But this was for, we call the Space Master.
Midea have already invested in the past years. Undoubtedly, in the future, we will continue this kind of a consistent investment. The sponsorship of AFC, Asian Football Confederation, for Asian Cup every year, 2.2 billion.
We are proud to present the award for Midea World #1 Smart Home Appliance Brand.
For the #1 Smart Home Appliance Award ceremony. Whenever you're ready, please tap.
Ready, go!
Let's go! Congratulations to Midea as we unveil our EcoMaster, Smart Master, Space Master, MBT, and also RAC.
So there you go guys, yun yung ating Bali trip. Sobrang dami natin natutunan at na-discover dito sa MyDia conference na to. And if you want to be updated, just check out their website, mydia.ph. So abangan natin kung kailan dadating yung mga products na yun sa Philippines. I am one of those people na nag-aabang kung kailan sila dadating. There you go guys, as usual, all the details that you need, ilalagay ko sa description box. So that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Till my next vlog. Bye!